students, myself Mahalakshmi, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri. Today, let us discuss the concept of comparing competencies with well-established entrepreneur. Here, each and every entrepreneur should have certain characteristics, should have certain competencies to be successful entrepreneur. He should be always comparing with the competencies as well as with the well established entrepreneur. The entrepreneurial behavior requires certain knowledge. The entrepreneur behavior itself requires certain knowledge, personality profile, skill, and it may be an underlying concept or characteristic of a person which results in effective or superior performance in a job. ನೋಡಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ the certain characteristics which results in effective job or a superior performance in a job. A job competence is underlying characteristic of a person which may be motive, trait, aspect of one's self image or a body of knowledge which one uses. A job competency, ಏನು ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆನ್ಯೂರ್. Entrepreneur should be a motive oriented person. He should have certain characteristic features, the aspect of one's self image or a body of knowledge which one should use. Yes, each and every entrepreneur should have certain characteristics, as if we follow or if we have or if we implement the competencies which are in himself in his business, then he can become a competent entrepreneur. At the same time, there are certain elements of entrepreneurial competencies. Yes, certain elements of competencies ಏನೇನಿರಬಹುದು? Body of knowledge. Here, body of knowledge. This is innovations possible only through knowledge. This is an innovation which is possible only through the knowledge. The inventor or the originator of the idea which lead to the knowledge of a vision of something which is new in the artist of creative idea. The investors include those who identify new technological processes, new forms of plant life and new design of creative process which provides imaginative people, nurture them and develop them successfully. However, it must be proven useful or must be marketable and achieve either status or an achievement. See, the way of is the body of the knowledge, the mission of the each and every businessman which will be influenced even for the investors. It includes who will identify the new technological process. And next, set of skills. ಇಲ್ಲಿ set of skills ಅಂತಂದರೆ skill is an ability to demonstrate a system and a sequence of behavior that are functionally related to attaining a performance or a goal. An entrepreneur is required to have certain skills. ನೋಡಿ ಅವನು set of skills, these should be common for every ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಅವನು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಷನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಆ ವಿಷನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸುಯೇಷನ್ which induce a group of people to act in accordance with the leader purposes or the shared purpose or larger group. Visioning skills, yes, as per the leader, according to the leader ಅವ್ರೇನು ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವನೇನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲು ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ skill is the need to be in touch with employees. Economic, safety, psychological, spiritual, sexual, aesthetic, physical needs in order to engage people on the basis of shared motives, values and goals. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, willingness to share power to do so effectively. ನೋಡಿ, he should have the willingness to share power because he is a boss. He had to delegate all his duties to all the duties to some other people, some other team members who are working there. And next, self understanding skill. ಹೌದು, a self understanding skills as well as framework within which the leader understand both their own needs and goals which are there for the employees, who pursues the idea of planning, application, acquiring resources and establishing its market through persistence, planning, organizing and leadership needs. He should possess the above skills. And last one is cluster of motive and traits. Cluster of motive and traits. Motive deal with a current, recurrent or concern for the goal, state or a condition appearing in fantasy, which drives, directs and selects the behavior of the individual. And the traits which may be defined as a disposable characteristics, dispositional characteristics which may be in the person which responds to equivalent set as a stimuli, which represents the intelligence, decisiveness, enthusiasm, strength, bravery, integrity, self confidence. See, this is also one of the major motive and a trait which is to be combined between the entrepreneur. The way how he delegates, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The way how he delegates, the way how the entrepreneur will communicates the information, even that is also to be influenced the entrepreneurial competencies. Yes, thank you.